Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be doing another Apple unboxing. If you guys watched my last vlog, Angelo and I went and picked up the new iPad. This is the iPad 2018, the 6th generation, and we ended up getting the 32 gigs, but he wanted more space, so we went back and exchanged it for this one, and it's 128 gigs, and this one's in space gray. So he wants me to open it up and set it all up for him, put the screen protector on. He doesn't like to do that kind of stuff, so he told me to just unbox it. And we also got the Apple Pencil for him, so I'm gonna unbox that too. I'm gonna start with the iPad, and I'm just gonna open it up. So like I said, this one's in space gray, so it's black in the front and has the space gray color in the back. So this is what it looks like. This is the back end. As usual, it comes with a USB plug, some information, and the little charging cube. So I'm just gonna put this aside. If you guys notice this bar in the back of the iPad, this is for cellular data. We do have the cellular data set up on the iPad to where we can take it everywhere and have unlimited data. So we ended up going with this one just to like take it around. You can get this with AT&T data, Verizon, and different phone companies. So we ended up going with this option. I'm not gonna take off the plastic yet because I am gonna put a screen protector on it, and sometimes it's easier to just peel this off and then put the screen protector directly on. So I'm just gonna put this aside really quickly and open up the Apple Pencil. So this is the same exact Apple Pencil that I have. It works on the iPad Pro, and now on the newer iPads the Apple Pencil works as well. So I'm gonna open this up. And this is what the Apple Pencil looks like. One thing I want to say about the Apple Pencil is that you can use this with a lot of different apps. Lately, I've been using it to create my own digital planner. Angelo wants this for school, like I said, and taking notes. The Apple Pencil also comes with this little piece that you can attach to your USB and charge your Apple Pencil, or you can do it the way that I do it. I just plug it into the bottom of your iPad and it charges it up. And it also comes with the extra little tip, which I think this one's a little thicker. Yeah, it's a little thicker than the other one, so I just use the one that it comes with because I like the finer tip, so I'm just gonna keep it like that. I also ended up picking up this case for the iPad. It's this red Targus case, and it's really cool. It's kind of like the back is kind of like a silicone, and he wanted the red cover for his Apple Pencil, so I ended up giving him this one because it's brand new. It's the one that I had, and I wanted a new color anyway, so he said he wanted this one, the one that I had, so it matches his case perfectly. I also want to show you guys these two Apple products that I picked up for myself as well. And this is the new, I think it's soft pink. Yeah, this is the new soft pink leather case. So I got this one for myself, and it's a really pretty color. It's like a salmon pink, like a light pink color, and I think it's perfect for the summertime, so I'm gonna put this on my phone. And I also ended up getting the same color, the soft pink pencil case, and I actually already opened this up, so I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. I love the Apple Pencil case because it covers your Apple Pencil and prevents it from getting scratched up and things like that whenever I have it thrown in my bag or whatever. But I also love this color. It's perfect for the summertime, and I also like that it matches the new iPhone case perfectly. So yeah, this is really pretty. I just wanted to share this with you guys really quickly. I also want to show you guys the screen protectors before I let you go. These are the Super Shield screen protectors. I got these off of Amazon, and they're really good. I use the same ones on my iPhone 10, and these are like crystal clear. If you like the shiny crystal clear screen protectors, these are perfect. I don't like the ones that are matte. I know they're for like anti-glare, anti-fingerprint, but I like these a lot better. I don't like the rough texture. But yeah, they have them for most of these iPads that are 9.7 inch. They also have it for the Pro. I just thought I'd let you guys know about these screen protectors because to me they're the best, and they're very inexpensive. I think they were like $5 for a pack of 4. So yeah, if you're looking for some, check out Super Shields on Amazon. These are really, really good. So this is what the new 2018 iPad 9.7 inch looks like. Like I said, I'm not going to set it up or anything. I'm going to let Angelo have fun with that. We're going to peel this off, put a screen protector on, and also put this case on. And I think we're going to charge this up too because it's probably not fully charged. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing today. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon.